Imagine a parrot shouting orders on a pirate ship. In the 1700s, French corsairs hunted enemy ships in the Caribbean. These corsairs were privateers, pirates with government permission to attack. They sailed for France and spoke a mix of French and Creole. To pass messages on crowded decks, they trained parrots to squawk code words. The birds shouted single words or sounds as simple signals. If the code was right, the crew moved or attacked. But the parrots had a second use during capture. If corsairs were taken, the birds began yelling in Creole. They screamed loud curses and nonsense phrases. This confused enemy sailors who couldn't understand the language. It ruined efforts to get answers from prisoners. These trained parrots guarded secrets with their voices in the 1700s.